Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel here. I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but today's going to be faceless. So remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, and losing crypto. All right, now that that is out of the way, let's jump into some Bitcoin price action and take a look at what's about to happen on the weekly time frame, because this could be very, very interesting, and I'll clean up the chart a little bit. But if we can close above this wick on Sunday at 5 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Pacific time, that would be very bullish. The bulls would get their horns out and be ready to party. You can see the RSI has now flipped back into the bullish control zone. It looks like bulls want to take back control on the weekly. And additionally, could you call this bullish divergence between this low and this low? Yes, you could. On a candle body basis, I'll mark it off so it's more present, but you can see this low is higher than this low. And it exactly lines up while this is making a lower low. So that is hidden bullish divergence. And technically speaking, that does give you, that's two drives. And gives you a shot to the top side of the range. Shot to the top side of the range, not bad, not bad, not bad. So, has it already played out? Yes, it has. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. Yes, it has. And I guess I'm going to bring our attentions back to what could be potentially bearish divergence on the other side. The price is making a higher high, and I wonder if this could be a bit of an inverted head and shoulders. Like this, inverted left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. Bang, Bitcoin goes up to the moon, to the stars for Mr. Bitcoin. Just something to keep our eyes upon here on the CME chart here. I think the other thing to be presently aware of is this guy right here. Let's go value area high to low. Bitcoin CME futures. What does this line up with? Let's go all the way back to the macro low here, to the high. And yes, it does. Yes, it does. Lots of confluence coming in. Value area high of the range at $63,020. Would I love to see Bitcoin come back down there? Yes. Would it take a catastrophe? Yes. Something like that to happen. We would definitely want to see some kind of catastrophe. That's looking bearish on the stock market here, but this is the stock market that never goes down. So the market has an hour and 53 minutes left. Does that look like a bit of an M formation alongside some bearish divergence? Yes. So NASDAQ target down to 21.7. Is it present on that bearish divergence coming all the way through? So if S&P loses 6,100, probably going to make a swipe down to the green 55. Let's check in on Bitcoin dominance here. We are in the area of peace and prosperity and death and despair. Yes, right around there. To me, that looks like a higher low. That looks like crisis averted here on Bitcoin dominance. So the Bitcoin bullahs are coming back, and this could be the end for alt season. No, I'm just kidding. Alts are going to fly. Trump has announced a strategic crypto reserve. Notice I didn't say Bitcoin reserve, I said crypto reserve. What does that mean? That means the official Trump coin is likely, no, I don't know if Trump coin is going to be in the strategic reserve, but I would say this, the American companies like XRP and Solana, the companies that were born in America and stayed in America, despite Gary Gensler and Elizabeth Warren, they're going to get some love from Mr. Trump. What companies are those? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look. I'm going to name a couple here. XRP, Solana, maybe Dogecoin, Doggy, Elon's coin, Cardano, maybe. Tron, definitely not. That's a Chinese coin. Stay away from those. No, Tron's a very, very good coin. Those are all the ones, the only ones that I know of as of now that were created in. All right, I think everybody wants to know about ETH Bitcoin. We were saying this is where the higher low needs to hold, and it did not hold. But we're getting very, very far away from this trend line and far away from the green 55s, which tells me Ethereum is likely to bounce sooner than later. What else is going on here? Well, there's more pressure to the downside. In fact, on the weekly time frame, what about the daily? Daily is pretty much in the critical zone, but do I trust it? That does look fairly bullish on the jewel there. And volatility is kind of declining here. So as volatility increases, you would suspect, oh, I got to get to my next appointment, guys. I'm going to leave you off with Solana because Trump launched his meme coin on Solana. Here's Trump coin taking a big dump. And I was just telling my buddy today, don't do it. Wait for the full retrace. This is what meme coins do. They go back down to where they started. The full retrace goes up 100%, down 100%, and then when we deviate below that, that's when you go, sir. It might make more sense on a 4-hour time frame. Hey, make sure you do smash that like button, hit subscribe, share it with your friend. Get your friend's friend to do the same thing. And, ooh, Pang is in some pain right now. The other massive buy the dip. Oh, my goodness. Penguin coin. Wow. Founders, what happened? ENA looks bullish to me. Bullish consolidation. ENS, fairly bullish. Needs to hold this area. If we lose this 31, not good. But back on to Rune. Oh, yeah. Buying opportunities of the year, of the day. Is it time to buy Mr. Rune? Probably not. Probably going to get some more selling pressure down. And what am I looking at here? Well, this is a massive head and shoulders formation. Wow. How did that stick get so big? I just drew it from right here. I don't know how that stick got so big, but there was a breakdown. I don't know what was it? I think this already played out. This played out twice. This played out. This is done. Trump coin again. Here's a perfect example of the 100% retrace. Mog coin, one of the famous meme coins out there. It's a cat. It's not a dog. Everybody loves cats. You want to buy some cat coin? Yes, buy the higher low. No, 100% retrace. We even tested it one more time. That was the entry. Wait for the guy. Wait for that. Don't, in my opinion, if you didn't already have fun on Mr. Trump coin, you are late. Oh, here's another one. Here, who else did the 100% retrace? Mana, maybe? Oh, it hasn't done the 100% retrace yet. This one probably does get picked up. KSM. It looks like everything altcoins are trying to bounce. Pepe's up 1% for the day. Oh, 1% on the day. That's exciting. But even it looks like pretty droopy on the hourly time frame. Pretty droopy on the hourly time frame. So OM, another one, looks pretty bad. Looks pretty sad at the moment. Hourly time frame coming down. All right, I think that's it for me today. Oh, I think the other important one to look at in regards to the stock market, Doge up one. Oh my gosh, everything's dumping. It's time to dump. It's time to dump and trade to the downside, dump and trade to the downside. Bitcoin needs to bounce from here. If we do lose, I mean, this is 3 bad hourly candles in a row. 3 horrible hourly candles in a row. And yep, if we get any kind of a closure below the middle of this wick, I'd be looking for, well, a bit of a move, short-term move back down. All right, that being said, guys, I hope you have a blessed and highly favored day. I will see you in the next one. Take care.